Habari gani, today is yet a very beautiful day outside, a bit chilly, but you know, lazima tukazane, and you are watching Lolwe TV, and it's time for PACHO flavor, and we have an amazing artist all the way from Nigeria, and it's none other than Falz, the bad guy. Hi, how are you?
What up, bad guy in the building? Hello.
So good to have you here.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm telling you, your name Falz, the bad guy, it's something.
Thank you.
So is that a stage name or?
Yeah, yeah, it pretty much is. It was, I think I picked it up probably as far back as while I was in school, you know. Just a nickname that my friends just called me, the bad guy, the bad guy. I liked it.
The bad guy, so were you rebellious in class?
Well, not bad in that manner.
Okay.
Just bad as in like smooth and like cool. Yeah, that kind of bad.
And your real name is?
My real name is Folarin Falano.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I can pronounce it right.
Folarin. It's very easy. Folarin.
Folarin. Huh?
Folarin.
Folarin.
Yeah, that's easy.
Ah,
Yeah,
oh, I got it.
Yeah.
Awesome. And so, you know, there's this saying that goes like how you have been brought up kind of builds up who you are as a person.
Of course.
So is that how it is for you getting into music?
Yeah. Interesting. I didn't really have a music background growing up. You know, I studied to become a lawyer. Actually.
Wow.
Yeah. I went to school all over the place. Primary school in Lagos. Secondary school in a place called excuse me, place called Osun State in Nigeria as well. University in the UK. Then back to law school in Nigeria. So, you know, I went to school all over the place. So it's been a bit of a mixed up upbringing. But I think it was while I was studying that I just started to grow the passion for music, and you know, along the line I just decided this is what I want to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So your first hit, could it be Soldier?
So it depends on how you judge that. You know, what is a hit? You know, but even before Soldier, I put out a lot of tracks, and tracks that I think had already gotten some, you know, mainstream attention. Yeah. Before that.
This is something I've noticed. You're not just an artist, you're also an actor.
Yeah, this is true.
How do you balance the two?
Well, I mean, it's kind of tough, but you know, the way I look at it is, as long as I'm alive, I have to sort of maximize life. You know, do everything I've always wanted to do, everything I've always wanted to do, and you know, I'm equally passionate about all these things. So I find a way to make it work. You know, when I have to do this, I'm doing this. When I have to do this, I'm doing this. You know, I just find a way to make it work. A lot of hard work, but we have to do it.
So you're in Kenya?
Yeah.
How has it been so far?
It's been nice. It's been nice. The only thing that's really holding me down is this weather, man.
I know. It's pretty cold and chilly.
Yeah, it's like gloomy. But I think I'm adjusting, getting used to it. Yeah, it's nice.
You have a new album coming up?
Yeah, no, it's out already. Album dropped about a month ago. It's called Bad.
Bad. Wow.
Yeah.
I've just had a snippet of this song called Me Down.
Okay.
It's a banger.
Yeah.
For sure.
Thank you so much.
So what was the inspiration behind it?
Behind the album or the song?
Behind the album and then behind the song.
We get there. Okay. For the album, you know, just wanting to do things differently. On this project, I went away from what people are used to hearing me do, because I wanted to, you know, come from this other angle, and this angle is me being a lot more emotional, me being a lot more vulnerable. It's a very sexy album as well. You know, I'm daring. You know, you know, trying to create a sound that is delicious to listen to, but at the same time is, you know, you can still groove to it, still, you know, super exciting as well. So I think, if I'm going to be honest, I think it's one of my best albums yet.
Wow.
Yeah.
So who are the producers that you're working with?
A lot of different producers. Most producers I'm already used to working with. You know, I have Chills on the project, Cess, Young Willis, Dr. Seth, Lemav, Clemsy. You know, it's a lot of different producers. You know, I just try to get a couple different flavors, you know, on the project.
Okay. So, you know, you have a lot of fans in Kenya, and I'm sure there's some of them here who are wondering how they can probably connect with you. Do you have something coming up in the country? Do you have a show?
Yeah. Yeah, you know, connect with me. While I'm here, I'm trying to organize something by this weekend, but I'll definitely be sharing that via my social media handles. So connect with me on social media. It's at Falz the Bad Guy, FALZTHEBAHDGUY. Same handle on all social media. All social media platforms, and just stay tuned, man. I'm going to be making those announcements.
Okay. So, how long have you been in the music industry?
Oof, it's been quite a few years.
Oh wow!
I'd say professionally, I started doing this maybe like 2009.
2009.
Professionally, when I started, yeah, this is when I. But mainstream, when I got a mainstream break, maybe 2014-ish.
Most of us see you as a music icon. So how would you translate that for yourself? Like, do you feel like that's some pressure, or do you feel like there's so much more ahead of you, or?
Yeah, there's so much more ahead of me, man. For me, it's exciting.
Okay.
It's flattering. It's beautiful to hear that. Starting out and venturing on this journey, in the first place, that is what I want to achieve. I want to be able to be so influential to people, with my art. And, I'm glad that that's the way I'm being looked at. But no lie, on the other side, it comes with a lot of pressure as well. But I'm willing to take it on.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I have a question. You have so many songs, right? And the times that you go on stage, do you ever what is your most embarrassing moment? Have you had like a brain freeze? And you're like, you forget your legs.
Yeah, definitely. A few times I had happened. But you just kind of have to swag it out. Swag it out in a way that anyone that's watching doesn't know that that's what's happening.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but that happens all the time. People think, that these guys are just computers that just memorize all these things. But we're human. At the end of the day, you can't forget stuff. So that definitely happens. But you just kind of swag it out.
Okay, awesome. So you have had some collabos.
Yeah.
Which one so far has been your favorite?
It's kind of tough. A lot of big collaborations I got on this album as well that I people I've always wanted to work with. Exciting I got them. I can't really say, oh, this is my favorite or this is my favorite.
Okay.
Every track is special. Every track is special for what it is. So I'm just really excited that on this project especially I was able to get all these collaborations I got. But I can't pick a favorite.
Would you collaborate with a Kenyan?
Of course I would. Of course I would. I'd love to. While I'm out here, actually, I'm hoping that we can still knock out one or two collaborations. I'm in the mood to get in the studio. I want to work. I've always been a big lover of collaborations.
Oh,
so I'm definitely down for that.
Yeah, because two creative minds come together.
Yeah, exactly. When you come together, it's magic.
That's for sure.
Yeah, man.
Awesome. So, I know this is something that the ladies want to know.
Yeah.
So just imagine there is like a box, and then which you have to tick off, okay? So there's single, there is taken, and there is busy. Which one are you?
Single.
You heard?
Single.
Ladies, imagine, and then we took our apply. There is hope for each and every one of us here. Okay,
yes,
this is okay, awesome. It's so good to have you.
Same man, thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
It's been amazing. I don't know if there's anything you want to share with our fellow Kenyans.
Just go out there and stream the new album, Bad. It's out on all streaming platforms. Make sure you check it out. Like I said earlier on, it's a different project. It's an evolved Falz. I think you're gonna love it. Make sure you get the album Bad out now. Thank you so much.
Once again, thank you so much for watching PACHO Flavor. And you know what, you never know, like kuna mambo mengi mzuri. Follow us on our social medias, and we love you all. Have a wonderful time. Bye.